एक्स ने मुझे ये एक्स ने मुझे परेशान कैसे किया, तो वो स्नेक अपने आदत के हिसाब से उसको बाइट कर गया। किसको बाइट किया उसने? एक्स को बाइट किया। यू नो व्हाट द रिजल्ट वुड हैव बीन? एनीवन हु कैन टेल मी व्हाट हैपेंड टू द स्नेक व्हेन ही बिट द एक्स? I'm waiting for your answers. Yeah, very true. Yeah, he did not die though, but उसके मुंह पे उसको चोट जरूर लगा. His fang might have broken. Yeah, that's true. तो किसको नुकसान हुआ? स्नेक को खुद को नुकसान हुआ. So he got more angry. तो उसने क्या किया? उसको ऐसा लगा कि that axe उसका दुश्मन है, right? तो एक्स उसका दुश्मन है सोच के उसको सफोकेट करने के लिए उसके आजू बाजू उसने पूरा उसको रोल कर दिया, right? And then what happened? Of course he died. But then what made him die? Anybody who can tell me what made him die? Was it the axe? क्या उसका दुश्मन था axe? Or was it something else? Yes, very true. So exactly, I'm getting very good answers. His anger made him die. Perfect. Perfectly said, students. Snake's anger. Very true. Very true. Thank you very much. So this is the story that I want to start with this session from कि गुस्सा किसको नहीं आता है, right? But अपने ही गुस्से में उसको अगर तुम कैरी कर जाओगे, then I'm sure we will also face the same destiny as the snake reached. So what do you learn from this little story? Anything that you can tell me that you can learn from this little story? It's like a bedtime story to the kids, you know, जहाँ पे एक moral होता है और फिर बच्चे को पूछा जाता है कि भाई what is it that you learn? So here I'm also asking you, what is it that you learn? But how? गुस्सा तो सबको आता है, it's an emotion. Control your anger. Don't let your anger destroy yourself. Very true. But किसी को पता है कैसे करने का ये? Control your anger. Think before you react. Wow. These are lovely responses that I'm getting. Anger kills yourself. Very true. So in this session, basically, we will try to understand how is it that you can be in control of your own emotions. Life hai, there are going to be problems. There are 100% going to be problems. But how is it that you can move on in a very, very, very positive manner? So this is the motto of this entire session that I'm going to bring in. Anger is normal. We all know. हम सबको गुस्सा आता है. Yes or no? If someone does wrong, rather than reacting angrily, maybe we should try to understand where that person is coming from. Possible. When we look at things from a new perspective, it is much easier to move on. Leave all negative energy behind. Holding on does nothing good for your future. We must let go. So let's understand how is it that we can take control of this emotion of ours. So the next question that I'm going to ask you students is, do you love people in your life? I'm sure everybody's answers will be yes. Yes, yes, okay, very good, very good. Because किसी ना किसी से तुम प्यार करते ही हो. So now what I want you to do is write down 5 people's name whom you love in the chat message, not one by one, but all 5 names together. Write down all the 5 people's name that you love in your life together. I hope everybody is typing out. Very good. Ma, Papa, Bhai, Ba, Dada, Mom, Dad, brother, sister, myself. Mom, Dad. Okay, okay. There comes. There comes. Beautiful. Very good. Lovely. If you all go through this chat message of yours, one thing in common that you would realize is hardly 3 to 4 people, 3 to 4 students have written myself. Hardly 3 to 4 people have written myself. खुद से प्यार करते हो? Question mark. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारी हमारी कल्चर ने हमें कभी सिखाया ही नहीं कि we can okay. But आप लोगों के good, very good. अभी सबका yes आ रहा है. So today we will learn a few steps as to how you will be loving yourself, right? There are many ways in which you can start loving yourself. One is self-care. Self-care is the way in which you can care for your mental health, emotional, and physical. Please remember, these are the 3 aspects: mental, emotional, and physical. There are 3 things that you need to take care before you start understanding what is self-care, right? It's activities we do to keep ourselves at the best of everything. Practicing self-care is an action. It is oriented in the way we can show ourselves that we love ourselves, right? Self-love is exactly what it sounds like, loving yourself. It simply means that. But our culture, our society has always said, love him, love her, love your parents, respect your teacher. And when you go to the office, then take care of your colleagues, take care of your neighbors, do this, do that. But apne bare mein kya? What about ourselves? This is the main topic that we will be touching upon. Obviously, it's a very vast topic, so I'll not be able to, explain much to you. For some people, this concept could be new. Why? Because practicing self-love doesn't make you selfish or a narcissist. This is something that you need to understand. Narcissism is there in our society. You also need to understand it just means that you won't settle for something less than you deserve to get, right? Because you understand and respect your own needs. What I have learned in my life, it's very simple. मैं अगर अपने आप से प्यार नहीं करूंगी तो मैं दूसरों को प्यार नहीं दे पाऊंगी. It's as simple as that. If I love myself, I'm sure this is what I'm going to give others also. If I'm infuriated about myself, if I'm infuriated, if my self-talks are negative, how do you think you would be able to spread love to your loved ones. Are you getting my point, everyone? Practicing self-love and self-care often just means extending the same respect and care you have for others to yourself. We have all heard the saying that others treat how you want to be treated, right? We have all heard this. But when thinking about self-love and self-care, it is often important to consider the opposite. Treat yourself with the same kindness and grace that you extend to your friends. I hope I'm trying to, I'm making myself very clear. We have to be kinder to our loved ones than we are to ourselves, right? Very good. Thank you very much. So how is it that you can practice self-love? Anybody? How is it that you can practice self-love to yourself? And believe me, this is not going to happen overnight. Why? Because this is something that you have to be very persistent about. Taking care of yourself, spend it. How do you spend time for yourself? Do you read a book? Do you listen to a music? Taking care of our needs? Yoga, very good. Very good. Yoga is a very, very integral part of self-love, because I said in the beginning also, ki there are three states that you have to take care of yourself: physical, mental, and emotional. Yes, yoga, meditation, exercise, these are all part of practicing self-love. If you are at calm with yourself, then only you will be able to give love to others. This is to do what makes you happy. Maybe you like to read a book, maybe you like to take a bike ride, maybe you want to go on a road trip, yeah, reading magazine. Very true. These are the things that you do to ensure. So let's go step by step. First is recognizing and accepting your own mental state and emotional state. I will come to yoga, exercising, and everything later on. Are you happy all the time? Or there are other emotions also that come to you? Sometimes you're angry, sometimes you're upset, sometimes you're nervous. Yeah, very true. We can never be happy all the time, right? So no one is happy all the time, nor are they positive or best version of themselves each and every day. We should accept this. कि कभी ना कभी, कहीं ना कहीं, one part of the day you're upset, you're emotional, you have other emotions than being happy. An important part of self-love is holding on to yourself to reasonable standards. You must acknowledge that some days will be better than others, and that it's totally okay to take a day off, to have a slump time. It's important to check in with your emotional state frequently. Okay, how is it that you are feeling? Once you understand how you are feeling, that's how you have to design your day, right? Not only must you recognize your emotional state, but you need to accept it as well. कि भाई मेरा आज मूड खराब है, तो instead of criticizing yourself, instead of having so much of internal talks within yourself, it's better that you first recognize your emotional state and then accept it also. A key part of accepting your emotional state as it is tailoring your plans or your routine to your current state. कि भाई आज मेरे को ये करने की इच्छा नहीं है, तो why do you want to push yourself? It's not a habit, right? But today you just don't feel like it. So adjust na, accept karo or adjust karo, right? Today you feel that every day you must be doing, maybe later on in your assignments or something like that. You might feel ki nahi, I don't want to spend any time on particular assignment. This assignment is irritating me. I'll take a day off and then come back to the assignment later on. Maybe you will be able to give in a better assignment. Maybe you will be able to tackle the problem in hand better once you take a step back. It is always good to take a step back so that you can move ahead for 10 steps, so that you can achieve what you want to achieve. Learning to check in with your emotional state is the basis of any good self-care routine. It is important to recognize when a slump period has gone on for too long. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि day in and day out you don't feel good. You don't feel good. So then what do you do? It is important you recognize that it is important to cut yourself some slack time, sometime downtime, totally give it a bad mood every once in a while. It is also important to understand that our actions, habits, and routines can actually affect our moods also, right? So self-care is often a balance, showing yourself kindness and forgiveness. अपने आप को forgive करो, अपने आप में थोड़ा सा time spend करो, तो अपने आप को थोड़ा सा, you give kindness to others. In your family, I've seen that there are dadas, there are dadis, there are parents, there are elders, there are younger siblings whom you take care of. Why? Because you feel that they are weak, so they need the care and support that you can give them. But that care and support has to come to you also. You have to be kind to yourself also, right? I hope the concept of self-love is getting into your minds. The first thing that you have to do is recognizing and accepting your emotional state. Any questions so far? I'm open to questions, because without questions, I don't think so this session is going to. Okay, good. It's all yes. Okay, thank you very much. Right. So second thing that many people, many students said, that you have to spend time to yourself. Yes, that is one more aspect of self-love, that is give time to yourself. So you might feel it is necessary to go to social events, it is necessary to go to the party. किसी किसी को तो अभी वो क्या कहते हैं, FOMO हो जाता है, right? FOMO, that is the fear of missing out. अगर मैं यहाँ नहीं गया तो मैं ये मिस कर जाऊंगा, मैं वो मिस कर जाऊंगा. I hope we all are aware of the concept of FOMO. It's a new concept of your generation. हमारे generation में ये नहीं होता था. हम लोग बोलते थे कि नहीं आना है मतलब नहीं आना है, मम्मी पापा ने मना कर दिया है. I get that. So you people are having this FOMO also. So you feel the pressure of being at a place where you actually do not want to be. वो पार्टी में तुमको नहीं जाना है, वो डिनर पे तुमको नहीं जाना है, वो there are certain places where you don't want to go, but you want to spend the time to yourself, right? So there are many extroverts also, and I'm sure there are many introverts also. कि as great as it is to be around people, उनको ऐसा लगता है कि हमें लोगों के बीच में रहना चाहिए, हमें socialize करना चाहिए. It is important. Along with that, it is important that you take time to yourself. अगर अपने पास टाइम नहीं रखोगे, अपने लिए टाइम नहीं रखोगे, then how will you evaluate your emotional state? पहला हमारा पॉइंट था कि हमें हमारे इमोशनल स्टेट को एक्सेप्ट करना है और उसको understand करना है. But when, how will you understand your emotional state if you do not spend time with yourself? See, when you spend time with your family members, when you spend time with your friends, you actually realize कि उनके thought process क्या है, उनको किस चीज पे गुस्सा आ सकता है, उनको किस चीज से खुशी मिल सकती है, उनको कौन सी चीज अच्छी लगती है या बुरी लगती है. I hope we all, we always try to be good to others, right? So same thing applies to yourself also, na? You have to spend time to yourself so that you can evaluate your emotional state. You have to dedicate some time to self-care. A lot of people have the tendency to stretch themselves really thin between work, daily life, social obligation. शादी में जाना है, birthday party में जाना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. But किसको अच्छा नहीं लगता है कि एक शाम अपने साथ बिताएं? Okay, one test on how you would feel. ये एक छोटा सा एक और कहानी मैं बताती हूँ. It's a situation. It's not even a story. It's a situation, right? Okay. So one fine day, you come home and you see that the door is locked. घर पे कोई नहीं, right? तो ऑब्वियसली तुम्हारे पास घर की एक्स्ट्रा चाबी है, तो तुम दरवाजा खोलते हो, राइट? देखते हो कि अंदर भी देखते हो तो सब एकदम खाली सुनसान, देयर इज नोबडी अराउंड, राइट? देन यू रियलाइज कि अरे मम्मी होती तो मेरे लिए कॉफी बनाकर लेकर आती, मम्मी होती तो मेरे को गरम गरम नाश्ता खिलाती, मेरे भाई बहन घर पे होते तो मेरे साथ अभी मस्ती कर रहे होते, right? So then you have to go to the kitchen, make yourself own coffee, and then you switch on the TV or the music. How would you feel? How would you feel when you are going through a situation where nobody is around and you know they are going to come back within 3 to 4 hours? ऐसा नहीं कि सब छोड़ के चले गए आपको, right? ऐसा तो कभी होगा नहीं, right? So what would be your thought process when you come across such a situation where you are opening, okay, feeling like chilling and vibing with myself? Very good. Is there anyone who would feel lonely? Alone feeling, okay. Yes, you would feel lonely. Yes, okay. Me. It feels like we can do whatever we want to do. Okay. No, not lonely, alone feeling. Okay. So there is a mixture of responses where half of you are saying that you would feel lonely, half of you would saying ki you would spend time and do whatever you want to do. Here I would like to correct you. There are two things that you need to understand. One is feeling lonely and one is enjoying your solitude. This is a situation where you should enjoy your solitude. अकेलापन नहीं है ये. This is the mistake that we always do. Don't you feel lonely when even you are in a function? You might feel lonely. Yes or no? Whether, say, it's not about people being around you or not. It's about, yeah, right. So when you people can feel lonely when you are in a social setup also, then ये तो पूरा घर खाली है, तो you are bound to feel lonely. This is the lack of, you cannot love your own company. You are not loving your own company. This is the difference between solitude and being lonely. enjoy your solitude, but that does not make you lonely at all. तुम अपने आप में इतने खुश हो कि लोग तुम्हारे साथ अटैच होना चाहेंगे. So when you are in a social setup, when you are enjoying with yourself, people will surround you, You will be the master, you will be like the person who is playing the guitar और सबकी नजर उस तरफ है. वो बंदा जो गिटार बजा रहा है उसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि how many people are listening. He's just enjoying the guitar. And we all are listening to that guitar, right? So it is necessary that you take time to yourself. I hope this second concept of taking time to yourself, being comfortable in your own company is understood by you all. Okay. How about some questions at this point wherein you have any doubt about any of your life situation that you want to ask me? You can always put it on the chat message. I will try to reply in as much as knowledge that I have, right? While I wait for any such questions, I'll move ahead. So the third thing that you can do is आराम से सो जाओ यार. Go get some sleep. Sleep is very, very, very important. ये जो आपका स्क्रीन टाइम है ना, इसने काफी कुछ बिगाड़ के रखा हुआ है, right? So it's better that you get some sleep. People, हम लोग सब busy रहते हैं. One thing that we always miss out is a good night sleep. हम लोग हमेशा बिजी रहते हैं, स्ट्रेस्ड रहते हैं, हमारे स्लीप साइकिल्स हमेशा डिस्टर्ब रहते हैं, राइट? When you have so many things on your plate, you will always justify कि भाई रात को तुम देर से क्यों सोए. हो सकता है कोई फोन कॉल चला हो, या तुम गेम खेल रहे हो, या कोई असाइनमेंट कर रहे हो, समथिंग और द अदर. You will find reasons to not to sleep. You will find reasons to not to sleep, but understand that sacrificing your sleep becomes the norm. Your mental and physical health will be affected negatively. One person has written, Modi, meet. Only one reason, mobile phone. Mobile phone को ना अपने bedroom तक लेकर ही मत जाओ. बेडरूम तक लेकर ही मत जाओ. इनफैक्ट अगर तुम अपने सिबलिंग्स के साथ हो या मम्मी पापा के साथ हो, talk to them and then go to sleep. क्योंकि सोने के पहले तुम जो एक्टिविटी करते हो ना, डिसाइड करता है कि तुम्हें अच्छी नींद यानी क्वालिटी नींद आती है कि नहीं आती है, राइट? When you sacrifice on your sleep, it actually hampers your journey of self-love. It's important to keep up your physical and mental health so that you have the time and energy to work on your emotional health and self-love. So sona is very, very necessary. You can ask any successful person how important, right? Again, I will keep this. Remind me, Rajan, when I go on to the concept, there is a concept that I'm going to come up with, is the cause and the effect concept. Remind me about this example that you have given me, that is hostel life is lonely, right? Remind me at that time so that we can take up your point at that concept when I'm handling, right? We will surely, this is a very interesting point that one of your friends has shared, ki in hostel life is lonely. So just hang on till we finish step by step, and we will reach the cause and effect concept. It will help you understand what I'm trying to say. So what you should do is create a bedtime routine, right? Create a bedtime routine. This is the first step towards improving the quality and quantity of your sleep, right? There are many, तुम्हारे ज़माने में तो there are many applications also, but इन सबको थोड़ा सा दूर रखो. In fact, I would say keep your laptop, keep your computer, keep your TV, keep your mobile, everything out of your bedroom, out of the place where you are sleeping, right? Then you have to create a routine. So what is the routine that you can create wherein you are telling your mind that please switch off? नींद नहीं आने का सबसे बड़ा कारण है कि हम माइंड को कोई क्यू नहीं दे रहे. We should give a cue to our mind that it is time to sleep. So while you are scrolling on Facebook, while you are playing your game, you are keeping your mind active. So you are telling your mind remain active, right? So बिचारा दिमाग है, आपका है, it will listen to whatever you are thinking and whatever you are instructing. If you instruct it to sleep, it will go off to sleep. 100% it will go off to sleep. But you will have to create a routine, right? Routine like, what could be a bedtime routine? Routine like brushing your teeth, um, finish your food, brushing your teeth, हाथ पैर मुंह धो लो, getting into your night clothes, skincare. Wow, that's a very good example of self-love also. Yeah, don't eat too late. Very good. So you have to create a routine wherein you are telling your mind, boss, अब शांत रहना, हमें अभी सोना है. So it could be getting into your night clothes, applying some cream onto your body, you know, the feel good factor. Certain things that gives you a feel good. Maybe you can just read a book when, oh, just take a bath. Excellent. You feel rejuvenated and ऐसा लगता है कि दिन की पूरी थकान उतर गई है, and now I need to just go off to sleep, right? What you can basically also do is, while creating this routine, you find out what is important to you before you go to sleep. When was the last time that somebody invested on a book other than your textbooks and reference books? When was the last time that somebody invested on a book that you actually want to read? Not here, I'm not talking of any kind of walking in the garden. Last time I traveled, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, last time, 4 months ago. Tell me the time. When did you buy Rich Dad and Poor Dad? Last time I traveled. When did you last travel? A week ago, walking in the garden. Okay, excellent. Have you read the book, everyone? 1 month ago. Yes, you have read. Yes. Okay. Others, 2 months ago. See? मोबाइल को रखो ना कभी दो महीने अपने से दूर. Then boards came. Just few days ago. 2 days ago, Ahmedabad, 4 months ago. Lovely. कभी रखा है मोबाइल को जरा 2 घंटे दूर? नहीं, कोशिश करके देखो, कोशिश करके देखो. This is, see, our life, mobiles were meant 1 minute ago. Excellent. I'm not able to read a book. I have tried. Yeah, but then this was just a question. Everybody need not feel the compulsion to read a book. No, it's just about being away from the screen. So I'm just giving you an option कि किताब पढ़ना भी एक option है. When I was in school hostel, how long was that, Krunal? Okay, classes in hostel. Excellent. So what I'm trying to say is 4 months ago, Krunal, that's a long, long time. That's like once upon a time. Before boards. Boards कब थे? March में. Mobile was sometimes far away when it was charging only. See, the conditions apply. See, the conditions apply over here when it is in charging only. So basically what I'm trying to tell you is कि it is important that ये mobile, ये laptop, they actually should make your life easy. They were invented so that your life is easy. जैसे कि ये क्लास है, ठीक है, ये क्लास चल रहा है. अगर तुम्हारे पास लैपटॉप नहीं होता, कंप्यूटर नहीं होता या मोबाइल नहीं होता, तो you would have not been attending this class, and I would have been not have this wonderful time with you people also. So this is to make our life easy, right? But ये इजी करते 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 हमारे खुद के लाइफ को कब कॉम्प्लिकेट कर गया ना, हमें खुद को नहीं पता है. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say. These things are now an integral part of our day-to-day routine. मैं भले मजाक में कह लूं कि भाई दो दिन तक तुम अपने मोबाइल से दूर रहो, but I also know it's not possible. It's not possible by me also, right? Because you see, मेरा मोबाइल यहाँ पर बाजू में ही पड़ा हुआ है. But I also know कि when it is too much, I just switch off. I just switch off. It's important to switch off from your Facebook, your Instagram, Snapchat, or whatever apps you are using. It is necessary that you stop scrolling and tell yourself, बस काफी देख ली दुनिया, अब मुझे अपने साथ टाइम बिताना है. तो अपने साथ टाइम बिताने के लिए मैं अभी क्या करूं? क्या मुझे म्यूजिक पसंद है, क्या मुझे पढ़ना पसंद है, क्या मुझे बाइक ड्राइविंग पसंद है, whatever is your this thing. So we were basically talking about sleep. We little digressed from what we were discussing. So to get that sleep, it is necessary that you create a routine before you go to sleep. Why is it important that you create that routine? Because you have to tell your mind that today is over, tomorrow I want to be fresh, so let me sleep. So you have to slowly and gradually tell your mind it's time to sleep, it's time to sleep, and you will tell your mind only with some kind of routine, a routine that you should follow before going to sleep, right? I hope we can now move on to some other way. Many of you said that for self-love, exercising, yoga, meditation is important. And whoever said that, many of you said that is correct. That along with, first thing what we did, we said that we have to recognize our emotional state, number one, and number two, accept our emotional state, right? Then next what we discussed was take time to yourself, give some time to yourself, show some kindness to yourself, show some respect to yourself, show some love to yourself, treat yourself as you have been treating others. I have changed what has been always told to you कि तुम अपने आप को जैसा बिहेवियर पसंद करते हो वैसे ही दूसरों के साथ बिहेवियर करो. I have just changed it for you. I am saying treat yourself with the same kindness, with the same gentleness as you treat others. So take time for yourself. That is second point that we discussed. And the third point that we discussed towards self-love and self-care is to get enough sleep. I hope these 3 points are clear. And the fourth point that we will cover is exercising, right? Physical activities is super tied into our moods as well as our physical and mental health. मतलब इतना हमारे साथ जुड़ा हुआ ना कि अगर हमारा मेंटल हेल्थ ठीक है ना तो यू विल एक्चुअली सी कि हमारा फिजिकल एजिलिटी जो है ना वो बढ़ते जाएगा. You will love to take care of yourself. Those people who do not take care of their physical health, it can also be maybe, I'm not saying that's the only reason, maybe the person is not loving himself or herself enough to take care of the physical health of your own body, of your own well-being, in which you have to live. We all live in our body, right? अगर उसी बॉडी का तुम ख्याल नहीं रखोगे जिसमें तुमको रहना है पूरी जिंदगी. I hope you understand. This is a life within your body, right? So you have to take care of the physical health, mental health also. A key part of self-care is maintaining your physical health so that your body is functioning properly and serving you, right? मम्मी मम्मी जब तुम्हारी पसंद का खाना बनाती है, मम्मी जब तुम्हारी पसंद का खाना बनाती है तो तुम्हारे मुंह में पानी आता है? When you are there while mother is cooking your favorite food, does the smell, the aroma of that food brings in water in your mouth? Yes, yes, all the time. Yeah, होता ही है ऐसा. Because our senses, so it's a physical reaction to something that is coming to your senses. So what I'm trying to tell you is physical well-being is so important so that your mental well-being is also taken care of. अगर तुम्हारी बॉडी बीमार है तो तुम अपने मेंटल वेलबींग का ख्याल रख पाओगे, इमोशनल वेलबींग का ख्याल रख पाओगे? आई थिंक द आंसर इज नो. इट इज वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. क्यों? क्योंकि मेंटल एंड फिजिकल both are interconnected. They are, अगर physical ठीक है then you can take care of your mental health also. Mental health ठीक है तो you can take care of your physical health also. So one thing, why people ask you, or why am I asking you to exercise, is mainly because मुन्ना भाई MBBS मूवी सबने देखी होगी जहाँ पे सब लोग बोलते हैं केमिकल लोचा, राइट? So it is a fact actually. There are certain chemicals that are produced in your body while you are exercising. It is called the endorphins. Endorphins, it helps us to relieve all the stress that builds up in the day or in your life. When you exercise, these endorphins are formed. Your body has a self repair mechanism, and to relieve you, there are many other chemicals which I'm not going to talk to you about because that will get into a lot of uh, बहुत boring हो जाएगा. But then why exercising? You need to understand why exercising is important, right? I have this class till 11 o'clock, right? I can continue being with you till 11 o'clock, or is it 10:30? 11. 11, right? Okay, okay, thanks. So, okay, thank you, Mahek. So what I was trying to say is, okay, endorphins. We are basically discussing endorphins. Endorphins is a chemical in your body which will help you relieve all the stress that you have, right? If you are angry, try to go out for a walk. Walk for minimum 40 minutes. Trust me, your anger will be subsided because your body has actually reached the self-repair mode. If you are upset, take a jog. Take a jog for 20 minutes and you will realize that many things inside you have actually subsided. And you are actually looking for reasons कि मैं क्यों upset था, मैं क्यों stress में था. So it will actually help you attack the problem once you know that this is a problem. Because in the first point, if you remember, we said कि we have to accept our mental health. So once you accept our mental health, that is when you realize कि we need to attack the problem in a different, different perspective, different perception. I'll just give you an example. Uh, uh, have you people sat on a chair, or currently are you people sitting on a chair? Yeah. So those people, those students who are writing yes, try to look at your chair from wherever. Don't get up. Don't get up. Don't get up. Without getting up, tell me, what is it that you can see how the chair is? What is, मतलब chair के कौन-कौन से parts तुमको दिख रहे हैं? Don't get up. Just sit where you are and tell me what is it that you can see. Handle, wheels, okay. Armrest. How can you see your back? Handrest, okay. Legs, handrest. Okay. So अगर ये चेयर को मैं एक एग्जाम्पल की तरह ऐसे कोट करूं कि ये चेयर एक प्रॉब्लम है, वो प्रॉब्लम के ऊपर तुम बैठे हो, वो प्रॉब्लम के ऊपर तुम बैठे हो, राइट? नाउ when you are sitting on that problem, you cannot see the full chair. You can either see the handrest, legs, wheels, armrest, बस यही सब देख सकते हो. प्रॉब्लम के कुछ पार्ट जो है ना, वो तुम देख सकते हो. What is important is you pull yourself out of the chair. Take 2 steps back. अब चेयर को देखो. You will be able to see the full chair. Chair, I mean the problem that you are in. So when you do exercise, you are developing these endorphins to ensure that you can tackle the problems, the stress of your life by coming out of the situation. अगर तुम एक सिचुएशन से बाहर निकलते हो ना, तो तुमको पूरा प्रॉब्लम ऊपर से दिखता है, राइट, या साइड से दिखता है, विच इज द एंटायर प्रॉब्लम. वंस यू नो कि हाँ दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम, तो दुनिया में ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है जो तुम लोग सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते हो. क्यों? क्योंकि अपने आप से प्यार करते हो तुम, राइट? यू वांट टू कम आउट ऑफ दैट सिचुएशन, राइट? इफ यू वांट टू कम आउट ऑफ दैट सिचुएशन and if you have self love within you, you are going to tackle that problem 100%. And without even meeting you people, I can tell you can handle the situation, any situation that comes across you, right? Anyways, we will be discussing this further in our cause and effect concept also. But the fourth point that I told you about self love is exercising. Fifth one is eating correctly. Eating correctly. आजकल के जमाने में इतना सारा फास्ट फूड, जंक फूड, ये वो सब कुछ आ गया है, तो सारा जंक अपने अंदर डालते जाओ। इसको प्यार नहीं कहते, इसको बिल्कुल भी प्यार नहीं कहते। यू हैव टू ईट करेक्टली। एग्जैक्टली। एक ही लाइन में मैं समझा दूंगी, इस टॉपिक पे मैं ज्यादा समझाने की जरूरत ही नहीं, एक ही लाइन में मैं समझा दूंगी। योर बॉडी is something that you have to carry with you your entire life. Number one. Number two, today, if you do not eat your food as your medicine, tomorrow your food will be medicine. I hope everybody has understood why it is important to eat correctly. कि आज के डेट में अगर तुमने अपना खाना दवाई की तरह नहीं खाया तो कल दवाई को खाने की तरह खाना पड़ेगा. सो बी रेडी फॉर इट. या ओके. अपने आप से बातें करते हो तुम लोग? डू यू पीपल टॉक टू योरसेल्फ? या राइट. यस यस. क्या बातें करते हो? तू कैसी है, तेरे से ये प्रॉब्लम भी सॉल्व नहीं होती है, ये करती है, वो करती है. व्हाट आर योर इंटरनल डायलॉग्स? डू यू क्रिटिसाइज योरसेल्फ और डू यू मोटिवेट योरसेल्फ? बोथ डिपेंड्स ऑन सिचुएशन. डिपेंड्स. इसको ना करेक्शन करने की जरूरत है. यस, इसको करेक्शन, थोड़ा सा करेक्शन करने की जरूरत है. बिकॉज अ ह्यूज पार्ट ऑफ योर सेल्फ केयर की जो पूरी जर्नी है, जो मैंने कहा, वो ओवरनाइट तो आने नहीं वाली है. राइट? इफ यू स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग इट, मे बी आफ्टर 1 year 2 year you will be able to find the result. So self love का जो concept है, it's one of the very important concept is that you talk to yourself, but talk to yourself in a positive self talk. Self talk is the inner dialogue we have running through our heads most of the day. मतलब हमारे दिमाग में कुछ ना कुछ इंटरनल टॉक्स चलते ही रहता है when you are not talking to someone. या तेरे से ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं होता है, तेरे से ये खत्म नहीं होता है, वो नहीं किया है, ये नहीं किया है. सो इट इज समथिंग दैट वी डू अनकॉन्शियसली ऑल्सो. इसको कॉन्शियस में लाना बहुत जरूरी है. बिकॉज द मोर यू क्रिटिसाइज योर सेल्फ ना, द मोर यू आर सेल्फ demeaning yourself. सेल्फ जजमेंट. यस, सेल्फ जजमेंट जब आ जाता है ना, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट जजिंग योरसेल्फ. पहले तो क्या था कि या सेल्फ जजमेंट जब आता है, दैट्स व्हेन यू स्टार्ट लोथिंग योरसेल्फ. it is an internal state and we don't realize कि हमारा self talk in which we are criticizing ourselves has brought us to this emotional state that we are facing. Whether you are upset, whether you are angry, हमेशा याद रखना कि behavior जो है ना, वो तो सिर्फ एक आउटकम है. Behavior, whatever you are behaving, is just an outcome of a trigger that has happened earlier. Right? Now many a times it's a हमारे common life से एक example देती हूँ मैं आप लोगों को. Right? Common life से college जाना है सबको. Right? I can give you example of going to the college only. पहला दिन है आपके कॉलेज का एंड आप बहुत ही एक्साइटेड है. यू आर वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड दैट यू वांट टू बी इन द कॉलेज ऑन टाइम, मेक न्यू फ्रेंड्स. तो सब पॉजिटिव 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 वाइब्स आए. राइट? तो रात को तुमने अलार्म रख के सोए, मुझे 9 बजे कॉलेज जाना है, तो मुझे तैयार होके, अच्छे से तैयार होके निकलना है, एकदम परफ्यूम वर्फ्यूम, बाल वाल सेट करके निकलना है। किसी को मतलब दाढ़ी बनानी होगी, किसी को बाल बनाने होंगे, किसी को मेकअप लगाना होगा. सो यू वांट टू लुक द बेस्ट ऑन द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ योर कॉलेज. So what you do is you set up an alarm for 7 o'clock. You tell your family members also, मुझे 7 बजे उठा देना, वरना मैं कॉलेज पे सही तरीके से नहीं पहुंच पाऊंगा. राइट? सो 7 बजे अलार्म बजी, और हमने क्या किया, नींद में उसको बंद करके फिर से सो गए. राइट? फैमिली मेंबर्स भी सुबह के काम में भूल गए कि भाई ये भाई साहब की तो पहले दिन है कॉलेज की, तो इसको तो उठाना था, तो वो किसी ने उठाया नहीं. 8:30 बजे तुम्हारी नींद टूटी और तुमने बाहर देखा, ओ माय गॉड, दिस इज 8:30 और मुझे 9 o'clock को कॉलेज पहुंचना है, मैं लेट हो जाऊंगा. राइट? सो जैसे तैसे नहा धो के कैसे भी करके कपड़े वपड़े तुमने तैयार करे थे, तो तुम रेडी हुए, ब्रेकफास्ट टेबल पर आए, तो देखा कि ब्रेकफास्ट रेडी नहीं है. मम्मी भी आज देर से उठी है, तो मम्मी ने ब्रेकफास्ट देर से बनाया था, तो यू वर नॉट एबल टू हैव योर ब्रेकफास्ट, तो तुम भूखे पेट चल दिए. धीरे 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 यू सी कि तुम्हारा जो प्रॉब्लम जो है वो बढ़ते जा रहा है. फिर तुमने स्कूटी की चाबी या बाइक की चाबी ढूंढी, ठीक है, तो तुमने जहां पर नॉर्मली लगाते हो वहां पे तुमको दिखी नहीं, तो यू स्टार्टेड लुकिंग फॉर एवरीथिंग, इधर उधर ढूंढते रहे, जैसे तैसे तुमको स्कूटी की चाबी मिली. उसके बाद तुमने स्कूटी चालू किया तो देखा कि पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया, तो धक्का मारते 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 तुम पेट्रोल, यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ योर डे इज प्रोग्रेसिंग, योर डे इज प्रोग्रेसिंग. राइट? और धक्का मार के तुम पेट्रोल, मतलब बाजू में ही था पेट्रोल पंप, तो ज्यादा धक्का मारना नहीं पड़ा, पर थोड़ा बहुत पूरा पसीने से लथपथ हो गए, एकदम पसीना पसीना हो गया. परफ्यूम वर्फ्यूम अभी कुछ काम नहीं करा, मेकअप पूरा उतर गया. सो यू आर अपसेट, यू हैव स्टार्टेड फीलिंग अपसेट. राइट? नाउ जैसे तैसे तुम्हारी स्कूटी चालू हो गई, पेट्रोल वेट्रोल भरवाया, आगे चल के 4 रास्ते पे तुमने रेड सिग्नल तोड़ा. क्यों? क्योंकि तुमको अभी भी इच्छा है कि तुम जितना जल्दी हो सके पहुंच जाओ. ट्रैफिक पुलिस ने पकड़ लिया. ट्रैफिक पुलिस ने को तुमने एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश की, उसने समझा नहीं, और आजकल के हिसाब से उसने पूरे 500 रुपए लिए तुमसे, जो तुमको खर्चा करना था कैंटीन में, वो चला गया इधर. तो और गुस्सा आ गया. राइट? अब तुम जैसे तैसे पहुंचे 9:30 बजे कॉलेज. राइट? कॉलेज पहुंचे तो सिक्योरिटी गार्ड ने रोका. सिक्योरिटी, तुम जो पार्क कर रहे थे ना, तो सिक्योरिटी गार्ड ने रोका. सिक्योरिटी गार्ड ने जैसे ही रोका, उसने बोला कि यहाँ पे पार्क मत करो, वहां पर पार्क करो. और तुम्हारा सुबह से सारा गुस्सा जो है वो उसके ऊपर तुमने उतार दिया. होता है कभी कभी तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा कि वेरिन यू आर नॉट अवेयर कि तुम्हें गुस्सा चढ़ रहा है चढ़ रहा है चढ़ रहा है, और सामने जो भी आया उसको तुम लोगों ने खत्म ही कर दिया. मतलब ऐसा सुना डाला, ऐसा सुना डाला. वो बेचारा सिक्योरिटी गार्ड भी सोचता रहा कि ये क्या, मैंने क्या बोला उसको. उसको सिर्फ इतना बोला ना कि यहाँ पे पार्क मत करो, वहां पे पार्क करो. दिस इज, या, इट हैपेंस, इट हैपेंस, इट हैपेंस. हमें खुद को पता नहीं चलता है कि what is it that is, yes, what is it that is building our anger. Right? Self talk. Self talk could be one of the reasons why you keep judging yourself negatively. You keep criticizing yourself. Maybe there is some fear, maybe there is some achieve nahi karoge uska dar, maybe anything. बट अपने आप को खुद ही मोटिवेट नहीं करोगे तो दूसरे तो क्या ही मोटिवेट कर लेंगे आपको. राइट? सो यूजिंग सेल्फ टॉक पॉजिटिवली will ensure. ओके, आरव हैज रिटन, दिमाग में जैसा इनपुट होगा वैसा आउटपुट आएगा. मजा आ गया पढ़ के. वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइसली सेड कि योर स्टेट ऑफ माइंड is in your control, and that is what we are going to do in the last part of our class today. Ki how you can be in control of what is happening to you, right? So reminding yourself कि तुम अच्छे हो, right, is always good. Instead of criticizing yourself, instead of judging yourself too much, it is good that you give yourself positive affirmations. Okay, कोई बात नहीं, अगर मैं लेट हो गया तो क्या बात है, मेरे दोस्त नहीं बनेंगे, बनेंगे ना मेरे दोस्त, तो तभी भी बनेंगे। पहला दिन देर से पहुंचा तो क्या हुआ, मेरे को कॉलेज अटेंड करने नहीं देंगे, कॉलेज तो मैं अटेंड करूंगा ही करूंगा। सो दीज, it all depends upon how you are thinking internally, right? Any questions till now? How it's like APJ Kalam's 5 golden sentences. Okay, if you want to share the 5 golden sentences, I will read it out to the benefit of the others also. Okay. माफ करना कभी कभी अपने आप को, that's the next point that I'm going to discuss. सेल्फ कंपैशन, हमें हमेशा ये सिखाया जाता है कि दूसरों के साथ कंपैशन के साथ डील करो, empathy के साथ डील करो. It's not sympathy that I'm talking about. I'm talking about empathy, right? So you should always practice self compassion also. क्यों? अगर मैं बोलती हूँ मेरे पास 15 साल का प्रोफेशनल एक्सपीरियंस है या 15 से ज्यादा साल का प्रोफेशनल एक्सपीरियंस है, तो क्या मैंने कोई गलती नहीं करी थी अभी तक? कभी छोटी गलती की, कभी बड़ी गलती की, कभी कंपनी को नुकसान हुआ, कभी मेरी नौकरी चली गई, ये सब एक्सपीरियंसेस हुए तब जाके तो ये पोजीशन पर पहुंची। तो अपने आप की गलतियों को माफ करना सीखो. We have to make self acceptance. Yes, we always have to understand कि हम सब गलतियां करते हैं, उन गलतियों की वजह से हम कभी टूटते हैं, कभी गिरते हैं, सब कुछ होता है. But does that mean that life stops? No, life moves on. Life moves on, and so should you. You should always be self-compassionate to yourself, reflect onto yourself, and show kindness, empathy, and support to yourself. अपने आप को माफ करना सीखो. ग्रजेस होंगे, सबके पास होंगे कि मेरे से ये गलती हुआ, मेरे से वो गलती. ग्रजेस विल बी देयर, but it should remain as experience. Letting go of the negative feelings you have about yourself or your action through forgiveness will actually bring in a lot of energy and emotional capacity so that you can embrace yourself, to love yourself more. Yeah, accepting your mistakes. Tanmay, I'll add to what you have said. Analyze your mistakes and do not do it again. Exactly. गलती हुई है तो the best way of saying sorry is correcting it. सॉरी बोलने से सॉरी नहीं हो जाता है, करेक्ट करो उसको. कि अगर तुमसे कोई गलती हुई है तो करेक्ट द मिस्टेक, राइट? सो आई एम श्योर एवरीबडी will commit themselves to self love, self care, few other concepts that I will be talking to you about also. But the class, I have 20 minutes more and I have a big concept to explain to you. Let's see how much I can finish. Okay, so how many of you try hard in your life to achieve something? I think most of you. I have a little bit of deviation from trying hard. I have a little bit. I know it's always good to try hard. But we also have to understand that trying hard is always not an option. There is always an alternative way of doing it. आजू बाजू तुम लोग जहां पर भी बैठे हो वहां पर दीवाल है, दीवाल फ्लो ये walls है, walls. Do you have walls? Okay. How much ever I motivate you, this entire class will cheer one person to push that wall that you have in front of you. Will you be able to do it? नहीं कर पाओगे ना, धक्का मारने से वो दीवार हटने नहीं वाली है, right? So you have to understand कि there are certain situations in life जहाँ पे working hard is good, but always find out if there is an alternative to do it or not. I'll give you an example of that recently happened. कोरोना के बाद जब अभी recently सब restaurants वगैरह you have to build your body. Thank you, Mike. It was a good one. Restaurant पे मैं जब गई थी ना, obviously I'd gone for a silent coffee. तो मेरे आजू बाजू बहुत आवाज हो रही थी, but I wanted to enjoy that coffee. I have a liking towards cinnamon hazelnut coffee, and I have a place in Ahmedabad where I get this coffee. तो ये जगह पे मैं जब बैठी हुई थी तब आजू बाजू आवाज तो बहुत हो रही थी, but I wanted to be with myself, so I remained with myself and my coffee. एक वेटर जो है एक वो क्या बोलते हैं, वो बैट होता है ना फ्लाइज को हटाने के लिए. देयर वाज दिस बी, वो कांच के दरवाजे पे ऐसे मार रहा था अपने आप को कि उसको बाहर जाना है, कि उसको बाहर जाना है, कि उसको बाहर जाना है. एंड एवरीबडी इज ट्राइंग टू एंश्योर कि वो दूसरी साइड से बाहर चला जाए, पर वो बी को पता ही नहीं है कि वहां पर 10 कदम आगे दूसरा रास्ता है जहां से मैं बाहर जा सकता हूँ, राइट? So do you want to be that bee who is keeping on trying harder and harder and harder, and the little life that it has, it's spoiling just because it cannot think of an alternative way? Think about it. Think about it. Ki is working hard is the only option that you have, or there are alternative ways of doing the same thing and achieving the same goal ethically, legally, correctly, right? One thing that I will tell you is, if you always do what you have always done, you will always get the results that you always had. एक तरीके से तुम अगर एक काम कर रहे हो और तुम्हें solution नहीं मिल रहा है, and you try it all over again and go the same way, trust me, you will reach the same destiny that you reached earlier. Say for example, you are on a road trip, right? यहाँ से दिल्ली जाना है, and रास्ता तुम पकड़ते हो यहाँ से मुंबई का, तो तुम्हारे एफर्ट्स है, तुम्हारे टाइम है, तुम्हारा पेट्रोल है, everything is the same, but रास्ता तुमने गलत पकड़ा है. So will you ever reach Delhi? No, you will reach Mumbai only. And again, if you come back to Ahmedabad or Gandhinagar and then again go back on the same route, no, you will never reach Delhi. You will have to change your route. So always remember, one famous personality whom I follow, Tony Robbins, he has said this very correctly. अगर तुम कुछ करते हो और एक रिजल्ट मिलता है जो तुम्हें नहीं चाहिए, अगर तुम वही सेम चीज रिपीट करोगे तो तुम सेम रिजल्ट पाओगे, until unless you change your way. I again repeat the sentence. If you always do what you have always done, you will always get the results you always had. मतलब अगर कुछ अलग करना चाहते हो तो अलग रास्ता तो ढूंढना ही पड़ेगा, right? Okay, so many times in this session I have been telling you that we'll be talking about cause and effect. Anybody who has an understanding what is cause and what is effect? Cause and effect. I guess that is a no. Okay. Okay. This is okay, what we do, what we get. Okay. No. Okay, then quickly let us, because we have only 15 minutes in our hands now, let's understand what is cause and what is effect. Many a times we blame others कि तुमने मुझे गुस्सा दिलाया. I'm sure many of you or almost all of us have said this sentence कि तुमने मुझे गुस्सा दिलाया, तुमने मुझे रुलाया, है ना? और okay, something going to happen.
માતાજીને જેવો મોડું હે આ ડોશી તો સારું કરજો બુદ્ધિ વરત
Mute yourself, please.
ના ના બુદ્ધિ નહીં જાય એક જ છે એ ગઈ હવે પેલા જો આ જોજે
Daksh, your mic is on.
જા કેમ બંધ કરી દીધું
Thank you, Daksh. कभी कभी हो जाता है. Sometimes while we are in such classes, this keeps on happening, and it's purely by mistake, Daksh. It's okay. I hope you are listening to all of us. We are covering a concept called cause and effect now. Cause is being in control. So when you say, okay, this happened to me, that happened to me. So say for example, someone, I think in the chat messages, someone talked to me about being hostel lonely. Who was that? Anybody who can help me recall? Being in the hostel is lonely. What was your statement? Rajan? No. Okay. We can always take an example and then talk about this concept. So someone said कि being hostel is a lonely thing, right? That is something that he is experiencing. He or she is experiencing. Now, what is it that the person can do about it? Can he do something about it? The answer is always yes. Can the person just keep blaming the hostel for its loneliness? The answer is yes. Cause is being in control and effect is कि हाँ ये तो होते ही रहेगा and life just moves on. That means you are not in control. तो say for example सब लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि महंगाई बढ़ गई है, महंगाई बढ़ गई है, महंगाई बढ़ गई. Everybody must have heard this कि महंगाई बढ़ गई है, right? कल एक समोसा जो 10 रुपए में मिलती थी अभी 15 रुपए में मिलती है. So what is it that you can do so that you are in control? अगर महंगाई बढ़ गई है, so what is it in your control that you can do to ensure that this महंगाई does not affect you more? Yes, earning money. You earn money, you earn more. See, everything in life is not in your control. सरकार कौन सी आएगी तुम्हारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, पर तुम्हारे कंट्रोल में क्या है? What is it in your control? सरकार के लिए, for the government, what is in your control? Yes, to vote. Thank you, Manali. Poojan. Yeah. So, which government will come, you do not know. But what is in your hands is go and vote. Right? So, do things that is there in your control. Whatever the situation is, find out what are the things that you are in control. There are many things that you are in control. There are many things that you are not in control. Many things that you are not in control, be flexible enough to accept it. क्योंकि तुम उसका कुछ भी नहीं कर पाओगे. You will not be able to make a difference to it. But whatever is in your control, you can do it. That is the cause and the effect part of your life. If you want to remain, Vikshit, your mic. Yeah, thank you. So if you push cause from you, then life just happens. मतलब life अपने आप चलती जाएगी और तुम बोलोगे कि I'm not responsible for this. Life is just happening to me. ये तो मेरे साथ हो रहा है, right? So anybody who wants to give me an example, we can take that example and understand what is the cause and what is in your control that you can handle. And you can have the situation in your control. So cause means you have to be in control. When you move to the cause side of the equation, you believe I can make the difference. मतलब ऐसा नहीं सोचते हो कि आई एम नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल, पर ये सोचने पे आ जाते हो कि आई कैन मेक द डिफरेंस. यू बिकम एम्पावर्ड इन द सिचुएशन. आई कैन मेक थिंग्स happen. I am responsible for how I feel, where I am, right? This is where I want you to understand that any situation in your life, any situation, not that I'm getting any example from you all. So what I can do is I can just give you a point that any situation in your life, if you want to be in control, please analyze the situation thinking कि what is in my control. मैं इस situation को change करने के लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ. जो मेरे हाथ में है मैं वो करूंगा, जो मेरे हाथ में नहीं है उसको मैं फ्लेक्सिबल होके उसको एक्सेप्ट करना सीखूंगा. कुछ लोग ऐसा सोचेंगे कि हम तो झुकेंगे नहीं. It is okay, but let me leave you with a thought that जब आंधी आती है ना, आंधी, तो बड़े बड़े पेड़ जो है ना वो उखड़ के गिर जाते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि वो लोग झुकते नहीं है, पर छोटे छोटे घास जो होता है ना वो रह जाते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि वो आंधी के साथ झुक जाती है, जमीन पे आ जाती है. So to continue to live, to continue to ensure your own mental well-being, you will have to ensure that you understand that things are in your control. जितना तुम्हारे कंट्रोल में है, find out what difference can you make and be at the cause side of the story of your life. Life is a story, right? Okay. So anybody who can summarize very quickly what is it that we have done today? Any major points through chat you can actually tell me what is it that you have grasped today, learned today? Self-love. Okay. What else? Love yourself. Okay. I think that's a major thing. That's a feedback for me कि but you will, ये सीखने वाली बात नहीं है, ये practice करने वाली बात है. You will have to practice this self-love to yourself. Yes, think positively. If anyone want to turn on the videos, okay. Chief coordinator is telling you, forgive yourself, stay calm, to be the cause side. Yes, very good. Control your mind. How can you control your mind? Stay calm, right? So basically we have touched upon the concepts of, okay, control your emotions. Something are not on your control. Yes. Be healthy mentally, physically, and emotionally. Very good, very good. Control anger. One thing, be yourself. So let it go. Forgiveness. Thank you. That's a lovely response. So I take this as a feedback of this entire session, that there are certain concepts that have gone into your head, right? But promise me one thing, that you will be practicing self-love, self-worth, understanding that if there is a problem, please be on the cause side of it. Please understand that there are certain things in that problem that you can handle yourself. That is when you will feel ki, yes, I am in control, right? One thing that nobody wrote is it is not necessary that you always try harder. So thoda apne aap ko, stop pushing yourself, and always remember, tum khush ho ya na khush ho, life will move on. Whether you are happy or whether you are sad, remember 3 words: life moves on. There is no other eternal truth that you have to remember, that life moves on. Remember this. So it's up to you whether you want to pass on with your life happily, or you want to be on the effect side and decide ki, I'm not responsible for what is happening to me. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you all. I think my time is also over now. It was a lovely session. I hope you all enjoyed this morning with me. Thank you. God bless you all.
Before we start the Thanksgiving session, there are 2 announcements. One is going to be from me, and that is, let me stop recording.